story that has been highlighted earlier. Safaricom's performance at the Nairobi Securities Exchange has embraced a strong moving on attitude. That's at the price of its shares rising to the highest level it has ever been. That's at about 28 shillings and 25 cents each. Now, after this 5% rise from the previous trading sessions level, the price dropped to close the day, that is, at 28 shillings per share. Now, the record high price was recorded as foreign investors rushed back to the NSE. That's after political tension in the country showed signs of calming down following the Supreme Court's upholding of President Uhuru Kenyatta's election. This improvement also points to the investors' defiance of the NASA coalition calls to boycott the firm's products. That's on accusation of being part of alleged election malpractice. Further, the telecom giant, which is also the most capitalized company on the exchange, was the main beneficiary of the foreign purchases, with analysts expecting it to increase further if interest from foreign buyers continues in coming days.